Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn about the application of the part design transformation tools like linear pattern, polar pattern, and multiple transformations. You also learn the several ways to invoke these tools. This part design transformation tool is called linear pattern. The Part Design Linear Pattern tool creates a linear pattern of one or more features in one direction. This Part Design Transformation tool is called Polar Pattern. The Part Design Polar Pattern tool creates a polar pattern of one or more features around the center axis. This Part Design Transformation tool is called Multiple Transformation. The Part Design Multi-Transform tool creates a pattern of one or more features. The pattern can include multiple transformations where each subsequent transformation is applied to the result of the previous transformation. Here you find the several ways to invoke these Part Design Transformation tools and the steps to apply these tools. When you press or activate the transformation tools, the Transformation Task panel opens. Here, you find some options like Transform Body, Transform Tool Shapes, and the option to define the direction of the pattern. There is also an option to add or to remove the selected feature. To specify the direction of the pattern, use the following axles or the reference line. In the following examples, I will show you the application of the transformation tools by using available options. The first example is about linear pattern. Activate the first body. Press directly the Linear Pattern tool or use the second option from Part Design menu. Select Body 1. Select Transform Shapes tool and then press the Add Feature button. Select the feature. Now select the axis in which the feature be transformed. By option mode, you have a choice between overall length and offset. After that, set the parameters according to your wish or the requirement. To specify the direction of the pattern, you can select either the axis or one of the edges of the feature. The next example is about polar pattern. Activate the body. Press directly the Transformation Polar Pattern tool. Again, select Transform Shapes tool and then press the Add Feature button. Select the transformation axis and then set the parameters. The next example is also about polar pattern. Activate the body. The procedure is the same as the previous example. The next example is about multiple transformations. Select Multiple Transformations tool. As usual, we select first the transformation tool shapes and the feature. After that, click right mouse button and select the transformations type. Set the transformation axis and the parameters. Click OK to finish the first step. Now click again the right mouse button and select the transformation type. Repeat the procedure and finish the second transformation. Reverse the direction. Adjust the offset parameter. The next example is also about multiple transformations. In this example, I will show you the combination of both linear and polar transformations. Apply the same procedure like the previous example. The first transformation type is linear pattern. Click OK button. Now select the polar pattern transformation. Note a pattern of holes created from a single hole feature by applying a linear pattern followed by a polar pattern. Click OK to finish. That is for today about the application of the Part Design Transformation Pattern tool in FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.